Thomas here with Much Props, going to give you another how-to video. This time we are going to build a red knight shield from Fortnite. That person right there suggested that I build this shield, and I thought, why not? It looks pretty cool. The poll that we had for the last Fortnite build is over. The guided missile launcher has won, and that will be the next build that I have, so look out for that next week. I am opening an Etsy store. I've had lots of people ask me, hey, can I buy this? Can I buy that? It's going to be on Etsy, so if I want to sell it, it'll be on there. You can purchase it. You don't have to ask me or message me to see if I can give you a deal. It'll be on Etsy. If you want to buy it, you can. If you think it's too expensive, that's what these videos are for. You can make it yourself. Another exciting bit of news, I got an email from YouTube yesterday, and they said that your monetization has been approved. So they took it away, now it's back again. Hooray! I can make $3 a month or so on making 2 videos a week. Let's get to building that shield. And we are finished. Here is the end result. Overall, it's pretty big. In the game, it covers from the top of their neck to basically their tailbone, and I'm 6'3", so my shield's pretty big. The image on here I didn't really record because I'm using my projector, which shines on this wall behind me. I traced it with a paint pen and then just kind of painted in the rest of it freehand. But not too bad. When I went to clear coat it, it's been raining a little bit here in Texas where I live, and it's really, really humid. That messes with clear coats, and it kind of gave a haze to my stuff. So instead of sanding it all down, we're gonna claim that's battle damage, you know, like ashes from the roasting of the dead people in my wake. I don't know. Maybe you will try and make one of these yourselves and impress your friends with your shield building skills. So much so that they ask you to open a blacksmithing shop and make them one. Yeah, or you could just make it out of foam. Your friends ask some weird questions. Maybe you'll get some...
Yay!
And inevitably they're gonna ask you, how'd you make that? You can give them one of these, tell them, much props. It is a shield, so shields can be used as weapons, so why not?